It's not all meme coin that you should hold or trade. They are just 5% of meme coin that will do well and will change your life. Your focus should be to focus on to look for, to research and trade those 5% of meme coin that will change your life. Most people, they don't make money in crypto because they hold and trade every ticker, every meme coin that launches in the market. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the meme coin, the cat meme coin that have the potential to become like Popcat. You are aware that Popcat is the first cat meme coin to reach $1 billion in market cap and plus. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you some of the other cat meme coin that have the same potential with Popcat. And this video is broken down in 3 sections. We have the first section, we look at dog meme coin versus cat meme coin dominance. Okay, what is the gap between dog meme coin and cat meme coin? And with this cycle, we close the gap. So we'll answer the question in this video. Then the second part of the video, we look at tier 1 cat meme coins. These are tier 1 cat meme coins that are performing very well and what you can do in order to make money from them. And lastly, look at the low cap cat meme coins that have the potential to become like Popcat and other big cat meme coin in the market. Are you ready? So before we get started, kindly hit the subscription button, subscribe to this channel, subscribe, like, and turn on your notification bell so that when next I publish a new video content, you'll be the first to be notified. Let's get started. Firstly, we look at dog meme coin dominance and cat meme coin. Let's look at these two categories and look at the difference. Now, it was predicted this cycle that the animal meme coin that will dominate the market will be cat meme coin. It was predicted by many analysts in the last cycle. What we are seeing in this current cycle is that it seems it is playing out as it was predicted. But we'll look at the difference between dog team coins, cat team coins. Okay, now this dog team meme coin, and the market cap is 70.9 billion, a 29% change in the last 24 hours. Can you take note of the percent? Can you take note of the market cap? So the dog team meme coins industry market size is 70.9 billion. This is the performance of the dog team meme coins in the crypto industry. Now, when you go down, you see the coins that are leading. For example, we have Dogecoin that has $2 billion in market cap. We have Supercycle that has $50 billion in market cap. We have Dogweave that has $3 billion in market cap. We have Bond that has $1.7 billion, Flocky $1.7 billion. So this is absolutely bullish. So now you see, then let's look at CAT market cap, CAT meme coin market cap. Okay, so the CAT teamed market cap today is 5.27 billion. A 7.4% change in the last 24 hours. Now, this is simply saying that the cat meme coin in the category has 5.27 billion. This is even one of the dog meme coins is more than one, like Dogecoin or Shiba Inu. The market cap of Shiba Inu is greater than the entire cat team meme coin industry or size. This is to tell you that this to show that there's a huge potential, there's a huge upside potential for cat team meme coins. So that means before we can reach 70.9 billion, okay, so that means we need to do about 20x. So the cat team coins or the cat team meme coins need to do like 20x before it can reach the current market cap of dog team meme coins. And I think it's possible. There are a lot of very crazy meme coins, cat team meme coins that are doing well, and I believe some of them will reach the rank or the level or the status of Shiba Inu and Dogecoin in this cycle. Now, mind you, this cycle is called super cycle. It's called super cycle for many reasons. Yeah, but if you want to know the reasons, in my next video, I'll share with you why this. There are other videos that are recorded that talk about the super cycle, moral super cycle thesis. And in my subsequent video, I'll be talking more about why this cycle will perform more than other cycles. So if this cycle will perform more than other cycles, so that means the cat team meme coins have absolute potential. They are in the right time to perform. So next we look at the tier 1 cat meme coin, the meme coins that are performing when doing numbers, some are in billions, some are in hundreds of millions of dollars in market cap. We look at them, analyze them, and look at what you can do about them. So the first on my list is Monkcoin. Now you can see Monkcoin. Monkcoin, you can now none of this video is a financial advice. So if you need financial advice, consult a financial advisor or a financial analyst. The purpose of this video is for educational purpose. Do your research. So do research about Monkcoin. The current market cap of Monkcoin is $810 million. And yeah, but let's look at the all-time market cap for Monkcoin. Okay, so Monkcoin is close to $1 billion. Now, this project is very simple. It's a cat. It's simply a cat. We'll look at the the browser, the website, check the website. This is simply a dog, a cat. Memecoin is simply a cat, and it's a cat meme coin. So to buy this project, you can buy it from Base. It's listed on Base, but to buy it on other exchanges, you can buy it from Dedust or from Type. So that means it is accessible. But let me explain how to play this kind of game. If you believe that this coin could reach multiple billions, what you need to do is to trade it on spot. So that means you may look for a dip, wait for a perfect opportunity, a dip. For example, here is a dip. Okay, here is a dip. You buy at this support. You buy at this support. So you buy at this support. So that means the upside potential is huge. You can easily make profit times 2 of your money. You buy this support, it's very huge. But don't buy at this. So at this level, highest level, it's not wise. So this is the website for Monk. Check it out. Do your research. Check it out, and you will find very useful information. The next on our list is Popcat. Popcat is obviously the leader in cat team meme coins, and the current market cap is $1.4 billion. $1.4 billion, and the price per token is $1.54. This is huge. This is huge. So there was a time, you can see that there was a time when Monk was around $500 million, $400 million. In fact, there was a time it was around 20, it was around $8 million market cap. Imagine you're able to spot this opportunity and you buy into it at that point. So this is the leader, the obvious leader, and it has huge potential. Now, let's compare Popcat with Dogecoin. How many X does it need to do? Dogecoin is currently at 42 billion. So that means Popcat needs to do more than 15x. Because it's 1.4, it needs to do more than 20x before it can reach the market cap of Dogecoin. This is huge. Like I said earlier, to trade or to invest in this kind of project, you look for wait for the perfect opportunity. So the next on my list is cat in dog world. Cat in the dog's world. So this is simply saying we have many dog team coins, and they are making, their market cap are growing very well and impressively. Yeah. So this coin is talking about that this is the cat that is in dog's world. Since the main coin market is dominated by dogs, this is the only cat that will stand out. So that is what this project that is what it represents. And fortunately, the market cap, the performance has been awesome. Current market price is close to $1 billion. $1 billion in market cap. And you can see, like I said, buy at support, buy when the market dips. There's always an opportunity to buy when the market dips, because the market is not always be going up. Sometimes it will come down, sometimes it will go up. It will always go up and come. So check where they are listed. Where MIM is listed. MIM is listed on Get.io, OKX, Bit, like top tier, Bybit, top tier exchanges. Check them. Next one is Simon's Cat. The ticker is CAT Cat. Now you can see that the current market cap is $255 million, and its all-time high was around $300 million. So this is super good. I think the project is on Binance chain. So like I said earlier, look at the dip, $172 million. For example, if you bought here and you still hold, that means you should be close to that. So you understand? So always buy the dip. Wait for the perfect time to buy any of these coins. For those that want to create or form a portfolio around meme coin, what you need to do is to look for strong meme coins that, as we approach the super cycle, look for strong meme coins and buy them and keep them. Buy them at correction. Buy them when the market dips. So the next on my list, where can you buy this project? You can buy it obviously from PancakeSwap, OKX, Bitmart, and the rest of those exchanges. The next is Michi. Michi is also a cute cat, and the current market cap is $248 million. There's a video that I recorded about Murad supercycle thesis, why he believes that there are some coins in his portfolio that he believes we do numbers will go into multiple billions of dollars, which is one of them. Most of the coins I'm mentioning in profile. So check the video in the description section, you see it, and you watch it, you understand the kind of project that you should include in your portfolio. So Michi, all-time market cap for Michi. Okay, this is the all-time market cap of 250 million. And where can you buy Michi from? Like I said, buy at support. You can buy it from Mexi, you can buy it through radio using the decentralized exchange or self-custodial wallet. So these are the leaders, the obvious leaders for the cat team meme coins. Next, we look at those meme coins that have low market cap data but have the potential to become like Popcat. If a project is becoming like Popcat and Popcat will become like Pepe, Shiba Inu, or Dogecoin, you can just imagine richness. So the first on my list, these are if you want easy 10x, easy 20x, these are projects like you hold for long term, this are projects that can easily for kind of exit. So the first on my list is Gina. Gina is rumored to be the dog. The narrative is that when Kabuso is the original name for the dog that gave birth to Dogecoin. When Kabuso was still alive, it died last year. I think either last year or this year. When Kabuso was still alive, there was a cat that was with Kabuso, and it is called Gina, the cat sister. Gina, it is the sister to Kabuso. So that is the narrative. So the narrative is very strong. Now, this is also similar to Nairo, the dog that later replaced Kabuso. So Gina is the cat that was with them, or that was with Kabuso. So this is bullish. When the market picks up, this can easily go to compete with Popcat. So where can you buy this from? You can see that the market cap is below 20 million. But where can you buy it from? You can buy this from Bexy, Bitmart. You can also buy it through the centralized exchange using your wallet or any of the dexes that you want. So the next on my list is when. When is a project is a cultural project, it's a project that is built around the languages that people use or the expectation of people, of traders, of the gen in the crypto space. The gen always asks when launch. When is the project launching? So that is what this is all about. And you can see that the all-time market cap was around above 300 or $350 million, and it is currently around maybe $198 million. So this has huge potential. Now, one good thing about when was that all the token was airdropped. It was allocated to Solana users or to Solana users. Here can you buy this one? You can buy from Gate.io, from Bybit, and you may also decide to buy it through the DEX. This has crazy potential. The next is Mini. Mini is one of the projects that I found on Murad's portfolio, and it is sitting around $53 million. Now, where can you buy this one? Like I always say, always buy at support. You can buy it from Phantom from DEX on any of the Solana wallets. Use either Radium or Jupiter Exchange. Any of the DEX is priced through them. So that is for Mini. The next on my list is Billy. Billy is sitting at $34.7 million, and its all-time high was close to above $200 million. This is super bullish. If Billy is sitting at $34 million current market cap, and the all-time market cap was above $200 million. So that means from here to its all-time market cap, it will almost do about 4x, more than 4x, I think, more than 4x. This at the 200 million, and to do almost 7x. So this is super bullish, super bullish. So this is also one of the points on Murad's portfolio, supercycle portfolio. So here you have it, the top tier cat meme coin that will perform very well, that could bridge the gap between the market cap for the dog meme coin and the market cap for the cat meme coin. And also you've also seen the low cap cat meme coin that has potential to become like Popcat. If you find this interesting, find this analysis interesting, hit the subscription button, subscribe to this channel, like and comment, share it with other persons. There's a video here on the top meme coin that you should hold if you want to make it big crypto in this super cycle. Check it out and find it interesting. CoinDollar has a Telegram community. In this Telegram community, the goal is to help people to make money, share alpha and educational content. Check the link in the description section. Join.